So that's what started it. Them rams broke right there. That one bent and fell down. We're just trying to get this truck off without beating it up anymore.
Well, I didn't have anybody film for me, and I probably should have put the camera in a different spot, but hey, that's what we decided to do, is just back the truck up under there. I was able to use my wheel lift to put the bed at the height we needed, stretched out there so we could have a lot of height. So we backed off there real nice and easy in low range. Had to get the chains all unhooked off the truck. It was barely hanging on, and man, what a mess it was. But we had a little safety meeting and talked about what we were going to do, and everything went just fine. We was able to get it off there without doing any damage to the truck, so that's always a good thing. That's always the goal in the towing business.
How's the hero of the day? What's that? How's the hero of the day? I'll know in a minute. Wonder if he's gonna whip up that front bumper. We had some boards or something. Hey, go ahead now, turn the light to the left. Right there. You're gonna be on that side rail. It's gonna come on you. It's fine. You're gonna have to probably just drive on. Sail it off a little bit. Hold it right there. I don't know. It's really easy. Hold it right there. You're gonna hit the button. Really, really easy. I just don't know what to do with the light truck.
You can see underneath the bed the wheel lift's extended all the way out, and the reason for that is to keep my tires from coming off the ground.
Put it in park. That was a little intense, I must say. I didn't want to do anything until he was out of the way in case it tipped forward.
So this right here is a little tricky. You can see my wheel lift's extended all the way out, so I got to pick it up enough to get it off the ground without lifting my front tires of my tow truck off the ground. So we was able to do that real nice and gentle. These rollbacks are sure a handy tool when you need them.
Wesley, you're in good shape. Oh.
Is this side?
Also the way over here.
Is this side higher than that side? Do we need to go up a little bit more so I can get in the hole? Okay.
And he said if you want the job I honestly don't know where my cousin owns the hydraulic shop, but I don't know if he'll have anything at all in stock. That's going to be a problem. Those are going to be some custom. If you would find out, okay, he would be more than happy to spend it over here. Okay. I'll call Johnny in a minute.
Okay, all right.
Find out if that's an option.
Okay.
I just know those are going to be custom Rams, and he may or may not have anything. And I highly doubt, but we'll make some calls. Well, we had to lift that back deck up. We got to lift up the middle section a little bit, see what it does. We got to get that middle car out and figure out what we're going to do with the dually. It's got to go back to Phoenix, so we may be doing some Ram swaps if we can find some today. But you never know what you're going to get. This is a Forrest Gump job. We got, and he's laughing because he knows it. What kind of job is this? Forrest Gump job. Never know what you're gonna get. Life's a lot like that, and so's work. So we'll see where we end up on this job. This could be exciting. But we're gonna fire this thing up and drive it off. Then we gotta air up the tires, and it's going over to the Hurricane car lot. And then we gotta figure out what to do with that GMC, and we'll go from there.
We were able to remove that car from the lower section. Then we're going to lower that top deck down. We should be able to just drive that dually right on there. So that's exactly what we did. We didn't film the dually going back on there, just drove on there, no big problem. And he headed for Phoenix. Hope he had a safe trip. It's always fun to have a good job like this, and you never know what you're going to get.
I'm with you.